Every day, Shopify store owners face the same problem. Dozens of repetitive questions like, where's my order? How do I return this? What's your refund policy? It's exhausting, time-consuming, and takes your focus away from running your business. Imagine if your customers could find all those answers instantly, without needing to message you or wait for a reply. That's the power of self-service support. A single place where visitors can solve their own problems 24/7. And that's exactly what HelpMate FAQ and Help Center helps you do. A simple no-code Shopify app that builds your store's help center in minutes, so your customers get instant answers and you get your time back. Add organized FAQ categories with common questions and answers. Use a floating help button that stays visible on every page. Customize colors, text, and position to match your brand. And yes, it's all no code, so setup takes just a few minutes. With HelpMate, you'll spend less time answering the same questions and more time growing your store. Make your support simple, smart, and self-serving. HelpMate, FAQ, and Help Center. Start free today and let your customers help themselves.